Okay, Sawadee ka. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Alright, so you are now here in our economics refresher course. And before that, I would like to ask who's absent for today? I believe I'm not seeing Tanakit. If you happen not to see your buddy or your friend with you right now, can you tell me who else among year 10 who's missing? No one? Okay. Alright, so we proceed right now. So last time, okay, we agreed, we learned, and we reviewed some of the lessons, especially for my year 10 and year 11 for the incoming year, okay, about opportunity cost and trade-off. Okay. So we simply understood, okay, that we were doing a trade-off, okay, and we're doing opportunity cost, okay. We are deciding, okay. Come again. What was your answer, Swiss? Swiss, what was your answer for trade-off? Can you read to me what was your answer in your notes or in your handouts?
The answer is giving up one choice for another.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so I gave you this activity, a paper that we need to answer. Make sure that you have it with you, right? And there are also highlighted hyperlink right here that you might check out later, especially for those who are aspiring for the exam for the upcoming October. Make sure you need to double time with your review. Okay? Alright, what about opportunity costs? Can I ask those year 11, incoming year 11 students, I need a volunteer? Just read what they have written there. Can I call on Surapat?
Yes.
No, Surapat. Just read to me what have you written there on your notes?
Which place?
I asked you what was the meaning. Did you wrote something, or would you like me to help you out? All right. Can you read to me what's showing up right here?
Yeah. The opportunity cost is the value of the next base choice.
Okay, so we were doing opportunity cost and trade-off. Trade-off is simply just deciding and giving up all other choices or all other decisions. Unlike with opportunity cost, especially my year 9 students, you encountered like, teacher, why are we equating, why are we using calculator to find the value? Alright? So I will show you a video. Let us all view, let us all watch, and I would like you to understand your take, your understanding or feedback, okay? But before that, is there any questions that is a little bit complicated or not so clear with you? Okay. What about opportunity cost and trade-off? The meaning, do you understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Ashley, what seems to be not so difficult? What is difficult for you to understand with opportunity cost? Last time in our class, what was difficult? Calculating. Why is it? We need to calculate something, the value. The value that we lost. Foro, is it important to calculate the value that we've lost? As economists? Yes. Eyes, if you're not economists, do you value your decision? Why do you have to choose economics? So you need to understand the value. If I would ask you a question, okay, during our variety show, were you considering, teacher, I need not to go to your class because I have to practice for a variety show? Is it okay? Did you do something? Which one is more important, the practice or going to your class? Going to class. But what happened? Sometimes we cannot, okay? We have no choice but to decide for some important reason. So let's see and check the video, okay? So let's see what will be your take on this one. And then we will proceed with supply and demand, and I'll introduce to you as well the elasticity, okay? And tomorrow get ready for some assessment, okay? So assessment is not so serious, but somehow I would like to check what is your simple knowledge about what we have learned, at the same time the background knowledge of those who are in my class, and what will be your expectation for the upcoming semester, all right? So let's take a look at what
Sometimes a new, exciting opportunity presents itself when we are completely happy about our existing life situation. If that happens, we are forced to think about opportunity costs. This is because when we look at the new opportunity, we compare it with our current situation and think about what is at stake if we would go for it. This often happens without us being able to see the full picture. Economists define opportunity cost as the benefit we forego as we trade off one alternative for another, hoping we make the best choice. Although they are often less obvious and sometimes speculative, opportunity costs can be huge. Therefore, learning about them makes sense. Imagine that we are trying to calculate the true cost of going to college. One factor can be tuition.
Alright, so let's start this one. Okay, so as you can see right here on the photo, let's go back on the most complicated, shall we say. So let's say, for example, there are figures right here showing up in your exam paper, and you have to calculate which one is the best choice among given, all right, in scenario. Okay, so in this case, what was mentioned right here? What was being given, and what was the decision, and what does she needs to decide? Who was able to listen and understand? Okay, this time we apply the note taking and summary writing. Okay, so what have you listened? What was happening right here?
She has to choose between.
Okay, go. So it's okay. Go ahead, please. Okay.
She had to choose between going to the college and working.
Was it mentioned which kind of course or university or she needs to go to?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. What about this part over here?
About working.
Did you hear something about family business?
I didn't.
Okay, alright. Would you do the same? Okay, if you were in this kind of situation, would you do the same thing? Like giving up college and probably helping your family for a business?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, alright. Can I have like two different point of views who would like to stick with going to college rather than giving up or rather than deciding to help your family business? This scenario applies only for those probably who have a very established business. If I may ask, okay, you may answer so. Are there families right here who's running established business for a long time? That's business, okay? Are there families right here, parents who are into a corporate job, like government? Okay. Are there families right here, okay? As long as we're talking about legal, okay? Okay? No illegal things, okay? We are not, okay, we're not allowing, it's forbidden right here. No scammers, no, okay? No kidnap or ransom, no illegal thing, okay? So in this case right here, the point of view of Swiss, can you rise up and stand and let's see what's your point of view right here? Let's see. How are you going to justify your reasoning?
About dropping the college. I think helping. College is important, but I could drop out from the college to help my parents' business because I think real world experience is more important than studying. And if I want to go back to college, I can do that too when I have a lot of money. I can study college anytime I want. But gaining experience early is important.
Alright. Okay, thank you. Alright, so we will have more of a discussion of this one, okay? And we will take some of the activities right here given in your paper. So I'll post this one first. And okay, I have to end on the opening spiel. Thank you for doing the opening and also our warm up. And we will do the main activity or main lesson for today.